Well, we are shaping up for a dry and warm Tuesday, but tonight seeing some thunderstorms roll into the region and overall continuing to track that long-term moisture. Outside right now, a beautiful start to the day, almost no cloud cover in the Boise area, 61 degrees already, all a bit humid outside. But taking a look at our sky, satellite radar, really nothing going on in the Gem State at this point. Maybe a little bit of moisture towards our southwest, but here in the Idaho part of the world, it's going to be pretty dry and clear today. We're looking at a high of 89 degrees in the Boise area. Again, dry conditions on deck. Twin Falls, slightly cooler with a high of 85 degrees and a slight chance of precipitation today. Now, after we get later on into the evening, we are going to track active weather. So storms are going to be developing along the Nevada border and then pushing north into the Treasure Valley and then upwards into our west central mountains. So let's walk through that quickly. 12:30 p.m. today. Things are remaining pretty dry and clear. Maybe a little bit of partial cloud cover going on in the central mountains. Then things start to ramp up as we get into the afternoon and evening. This is 5:40 p.m. and you can see here in Owyhee County we have some stronger storms set to develop, and those are going to contain some gusty winds, hail, and some rain. It's not going to be super moisture concentrated system that comes through, but there is going to be that activity around 9 p.m. That's when that system is going to be hovering right over the Treasure Valley, and of course we're going to see wind gusts 20 to 40 miles per hour at times. Some of these winds can be damaging when they do roll through the Treasure Valley, so something to keep in mind. We're seeing a marginal risk for severe weather here in southern Idaho. So what that means is some of these isolated thunderstorms, that one that rolls through the valley, is going to be on the stronger side. Winds specifically this afternoon and evening getting up there to those gusts up to 32 miles per hour in Caldwell, 24 in Boise, and those red parts you see gusts above 40 miles per hour. So this is going to be quite the gusty system that moves through tonight. And yeah, around 5, 6, 7 p.m. is when those gusts are really going to pick up in the Treasure Valley. But before we get there, things are going to be pretty nice here locally. We're going to have our temperatures warm all the way up to the upper 80s, slightly warmer than what we saw yesterday. Plenty of sunshine, and then again those storms coming through after around 5, 6, 7 p.m. West Central Mountains also seeing warm and dry conditions, a slight chance of precipitation in McCall, 20% chance, but that's about it. And then overnight we get that system rolling to the northeast central mountains, looking at a little bit more light rain, so some more isolated showers popping up here, about a 20% chance of precipitation in Sun Valley today, high of 76 degrees, and then the Magic Valley also seeing some isolated storms passing through this afternoon. But look at that, they're quite small, not super widespread, about a 20% chance there in Twin Falls. This is around 4 p.m. and then overnight we could track some larger storms to move through the Magic Valley, just like we're going to see over on the western side of the state. Here's a look at the extended forecast for the Magic Valley. As you can see, this long-term moisture pattern really just continues to stick around. Rinse and repeat every afternoon and evening. We're kind of used to it now at this point, so you can track more showers and storms ahead for the Magic Valley. Same with the Treasure Valley. So today, a high of 89 degrees. Those storms rolling in tonight. Tomorrow, a chance of moisture sticks around at about 30% chance, and we'll just continue to see that rinse and repeat all the way through the weekend.